Okay, Daddy has made bow tie pasta with pesto sauce. Jonah is 6 months old
And he's killing it.
and he's killing it. This kid,
Like
I mean, it is
garlic.
strong, pure garlic and pesto sauce, and this kid loves it. Is that good? Is that
Is
yummy?
that pretty tasty? Yeah.
Is that yummy?
Yeah. You like what Daddy did for you.
The doctor told us to feed him whatever we're eating, and so I thought it was strong. I told him to wash the pesto off, but baby likes it better with pesto. He doesn't like just plain old pasta. Oh, he can't.
That's the
pick it up.
Italian genes overwhelming
go.
all the
Here.
other mutt genes.
Here. It's yummy. So good. Mmm.
Yummy.
Oh, yummy.
Yummy.
Doesn't even faze him.
Nope.
Man, that is strong. You like that, don't you, Jonah?
That's good stuff. I know. That's the good stuff. And finally, I'm getting the good stuff. I'm getting the good stuff now. Look at this. Yep, that's more of the good stuff. Gotta get it.
Oh. Gonna choke him up. My goodness. Enough garlic to clear out anybody's sinuses. Oh, God bless you, baby.
There it is.
It makes him sneeze. But he likes it. It's so funny. Never in a million years I think he'd like that. Oh, he wants help, Daddy. He needs some help. Here. Yummy. That's so yummy.
I'll watch it down a little bit.
Watch it down with some juice. That's good. Okay, Daddy, that's enough. That is yummy. He can't reach it.
Where are you going for?
Oh, he wants more. He says, give me my juice. Give me my apple prune juice. He can't lean back far enough.
No.
Is that good? All right, we're going to sign off for now.
Talk to you later.
Bye-bye, Jonah.
Bye-bye,
Love you.
buddy. Love you.